dedicated and incredibly outstanding service to NC State, I'm gonna let these two wonderful folks, this is gonna be a duet.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna let them compose and perform live on the NC State Bell Tower, a musical composition that has never been heard before. And furthermore, it'll never be heard again.
That's a good thing.
Now, I've already alerted everybody outside that this is gonna happen. So they're anxious. They cannot wait to hear this musical composition. So when I give you the signal, I want you to start and then I want you to finish. This is worth a video.
Somebody video this for us. Joe, would you do that? Would you have the honors?
So when we start the performance, I want everybody to be really, really quiet. And that's because I want all of us to hear together the live notes that they're producing on the bell tower. Now, to you too, don't go too fast. When I let people do this, sometimes they get a little excited and they go a little bit too fast. When I give you the signal, I want you to push in any order you choose, and that will represent the composition. 6 buttons in any order you choose. Now you could push the same button 6 times, but that would be pretty dull. So in any order you choose, here, 6 buttons. And remember, don't go too fast. So when you finish your performance, you step back, and Harry will step right in, and it's going to sound like one performance, even though it's a duo. All right, now listen.
Oh, look, it's the notes.
Right there. Now, on the half hour, it's very quick. That was the Westminster chimes. And the notes that were played, as Harry pointed out, were identified right here. So, you understand what I want you to do?
I think so.
You ready to go?
Yep.
You good to go?
Good to go.
All right, everybody, real quiet, because this is going to be an unforgettable moment.
Don't
All right,
mess up, Mardisha.
Ladies and gentlemen,
No pressure. No pressure.
I'm pleased and proud to present the world premiere. The world premiere of a musical composition that has never been heard before. And furthermore, it'll never be heard again. Performed by our 2 talented and dedicated technology staff workers right here at NC State. Let the performance begin. Go slow. 6 buttons.